I just started sharing a few bits on YouTube because when I first started practicing yoga, I started with YouTube, with Yoga with Adrienne. And I just feel like I want to do that, to give something back. And I kind of look at beginner videos now, and from the people that I've taught of like all different ages, different injuries and stuff, I think still some of the beginner stuff is like super hard. So yeah, just kind of like with my little hat of a bit of a change of view, I guess, about how to approach complete beginners of all ages and with different injuries. I've tried to do some I'm trying now to do some like really super simple, like break everything right down for somebody that doesn't have a clue about anything to do with yoga. And if like maybe what I'm doing is still too hard or just not accessible to some people, because we're all different and we've all got different injuries and different genetics and different bodies. So if there is anything that I've done and you're like, oh, I wish I could do that, but this bit's too hard for me, then ask, because I love a challenge. And if somebody wants me to find an alternative for them, I'd take that on. So yeah, if there's anything in particular and you're like, I've got this injury and I can't do that or whatever, then yeah, send me that challenge and I'll see if I can create something for you. Oh, the wind and the rain is coming.